Welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Dr. Sahil's tutorial. Okay, today I am going to explain you the important topic which is very much important for every medical student, that is brachial plexus. Brachial plexus. So I am going to explain you how to remember brachial plexus just in a 30 second. If you see this diagram, that is very easily. See, these are the roots, these are the trunks, divisions, cords, branches. Now see, roots. How root is formed? Root is formed by C5, C6, C7, C8 and T1. Now this root, then the next is trunks, that is a superior trunk or upper trunk, middle trunk, lower trunk. These are roots, these are trunks. Now come the divisions, that is a each trunks give rise to two division. Okay, anterior division, posterior division, anterior division, posterior division, anterior division, posterior division. Okay, now this division give rise to cords. Okay, these are the lateral cord, medial cord and posterior cord. Okay, now comes the branches. See how roots are formed. C5, C6, see C5 and C6 unite to form the upper trunk. Okay, C7 alone, see C7 alone is formed the middle trunk. C8 and T1, see both unite to form the lower trunk. This is how the trunks are formed. Each trunk give rise to two branches, that is the anterior division, this is A, and posterior division P. Okay, there is the same middle cord, anterior division, posterior division, lower cord, anterior division, posterior cord. Now this division give rise to cords. How? The anterior division of superior trunk and middle trunk, see this one and this one both unite to form the lateral cord of brachial plexus. And all the three posterior division, that is the superior trunk posterior division, middle trunk posterior division and lower trunk posterior division unite, see 1, 2, 3 unite to form the posterior cord of brachial plexus. Now the only, that is the anterior division left of the lower cord, that is this one, see you can hear this unite alone to form the middle cord. This lateral cord give rise to three branches, that is a LML. Okay, like Vespa. Okay, I will explain in details. Middle cord give rise to M4U branches, M1, 2, 3, 4 U. Then posterior cord give rise to ulnar, ULNAR. Okay, see how to remember this. RTDCB, roots, trunks, divisions, cord, branches. Now this is a simple with diagram. Now we come to the main thing, that is brachial plexus. Brachial plexus is made up of two words, that is brachium, okay, arm, brachium means arm, plexus, network of vessels or nerves. Introduction. What is that? It is the network of plexus formed by anterior rami of lower cervical and T1 vertebrae, that is C5, C6, C7, C8 and T1 with contribution to C4 and T2 sometime. If C4 is contributed, it is called as prefixed plexus. If T2 is contributed, it is called as post-fixed plexus. Spinal nerves which arise from spinal cord, cranial nerves which arise from the brain. C. Roots. I have explained you how to remember RTDCB. Roots. These are formed by C5, C6, C7, C8 and T1 as I have explained in the diagram. Trunks. Trunks is formed by superior trunk. How it is formed? It is formed by I have already explained the diagram. It is formed by C5 and C6. Middle trunk C7 alone form, and lower trunk C8 and T1. Divisions. Each trunk divides into two divisions. This is anterior division or posterior division. We also called as ventral division or dorsal division. Divisions, they join to form the cords. Now page number 3, see this is the diagram. TS of spinal cord. See This is the posterior part, and this is the anterior part. See, this is the white matter, dorsal horn, lateral horn, ventral horn. These are the gray matter, and this is the white matter. See this diagram carefully. Okay, and this is the central canal, dorsal, yes, dorsal nerve root, ventral nerve root. So spinal ganglion is somewhere here. What is the important for showing that? Because the spinal nerves arise from this point at the junction of dorsal nerve root and ventral nerve root. Okay, now we go to the page number 4, that is now cords. How cords are formed? I have already explained the diagram that anterior division of upper trunk and anterior division of middle trunk unite to form the lateral cord. Posterior division of all three trunks unite to form the posterior cord. Anterior division of lower trunk form the middle cord alone. Now see, branches. Branches are formed by, I will explain you first. Branches from the roots. See, roots means what you have to remember, DL, that is the driving license, dorsal scapular nerve, long thoracic nerve. Then what are the branches from the trunks? That is NS, normal saline trunks, nerve to subclavius, suprascapular nerve. Okay, NSDL. Remember these branches. Now come the 6th page, that is what are the branches from the lateral cord? See, I have explained that LML. Okay, Vespa, lateral pectoral nerve, musculocutaneous nerve, lateral root of median nerve. Then what are the branches from the medial cord? I have already explained you, M4U, medial pectoral nerve, musculocutaneous nerve of arm, musculocutaneous nerve of forearm, medial root of median nerve, and ulnar nerve. Okay, now 7, that is the page number 7. What are the branches from the posterior cord of brachial plexus? That I have explained you, ulnar. See, ULNAR, upper subscapular, lower subscapular, nerve to latissimus dorsi, A for axillary, R for radial. Then now comes the blood supply of brachial plexus, that is vertebral artery, thoracocervical trunk and its branches, suprascapular artery, transverse cervical artery. Okay, just before seeing that, just remember this diagram, which is very important. Just if you remember this diagram for the 30 seconds, it's more enough to write the whole answer. You can see the easy diagram of the brachial plexus, this also. See, just see this diagram for 30 seconds. Thank you.